Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add attachments in Mailchimp. First, understand that Mailchimp doesn't allow direct email attachments like a standard email client. Instead, you'll upload your file to their Content Studio. This method ensures better deliverability and tracking for your campaigns. We'll walk through each step to link your document effectively. To begin, log into your Mailchimp account and find the Content Studio. This is where all your images and files are stored. Click the Upload button and choose the document you wish to attach from your computer. Remember to keep your file size under 10 megabytes to avoid any issues with loading or delivery. Now, open the email campaign where you want to add the attachment. Highlight the text or image you want to turn into a download link. Click the link icon in the editor toolbar. From the linking options, select File, and then choose the document you previously uploaded from your Content Studio. This creates a clickable link for your subscribers. Before sending, always test your campaign. Click the link yourself to ensure the file downloads as expected. Make any final adjustments to your email content or design. Once everything looks perfect, you're ready to send your campaign to your audience. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic book recommendation and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.